everyone. For those who don't know me, which is probably majority of you guys, my name is Zipporah. I am a visual artist and I work in all mediums such as acrylic, watercolor, graphite, marker, and all just different types of mediums. Oh yeah, especially digital art as well. Um, and today we are in my art studio. And I love my art studio to pieces, but it is time for a revamp. I currently use my dining room as my art studio because I decided to use this space because it's the only space in my house with hardwood floors besides the hallway and the kitchen. Everywhere else has like carpet. And so I just use like my second bedroom as like a beauty content room and just use the space out here as my studio. So that to let you know, you can really use any space as an art studio. It's just what you're willing to like give up or what you really don't want. I've used throughout my life all types of things for studios. I have used my bedroom, a corner of a closet. I've done it all. um so do not feel discouraged not to have your studio looking the way you want because honestly, my studio is nowhere near the way I want. Even after I do this revamp today, I'm going to still appreciate and love the revamp, but I know I want a studio one day with like more windows so I can have like more lighting because all the lighting I have right now, I have to get like studio lighting and use that. And also, the space I have right now, just like I'm what I want to revamp, I want to make it feel more open, which I've kind of done that throughout my studio space so far, but I feel like I can make it even more open and more organized. And then I kind of wanted to decorate differently, especially before the new year starts, to give me more in a more motivated headspace to create more pieces. And I went ahead and bought like more decor, more storage stuff, just different things. And if you're interested and want to know some of the things that's in my studio, I can link it. Majorities of the stuff I honestly got off of Amazon and some different like art stores. So if you are interested, let me know. Other than that, I'm going to try to link stuff that I feel like you guys might want to know already in the bio for those of you guys who are interested. But once again, if I miss something, just comment. Also, thank you guys for clicking on this video and being here with me right now and watching me. I hope you like the rest of the video and you subscribe to see more of my future stuff. I'm going to be selling things in the future. I'm going to be making products, all types of things for you guys. Tons of more paintings, some fashion stuff, just different things I just really am very, very passionate about. That I want to share because I've been holding off my YouTube channel for a very, very long time. And I finally told myself that I need to believe in myself because if I don't believe in myself, nobody else will. Which is why I tell everyone life is going to be hard. So you might as well do what you love. So you guys go ahead and watch the rest of the video and we'll get to it. So first we're going to clear out all this stuff using my Flash superpowers because clearly this is an editor right now. This is me live at the moment, just, speeding through. But no, I had to move everything out and I was cleaning up a little bit as I go because I just didn't want to have a new space with old like dust and whatnot. I was moving all the furniture and seeing what works best. As you can see, it was a lot of moving. Now this wooden art rack, oh my gosh, lifesaver. I used to just throw my like paper and everything, canvases in like a corner, but it would like just be everywhere. That helped keep them more organized. And then I just love my little art cart for my paints as well. Now I had recorded me putting up all these decals and doing this wall, but it didn't actually record, so that's why you're missing a good chunk of stuff. But now I'm just putting just the butterflies, so you can at least see me put those up, and it's like so pretty. Later on you'll see me do an up close of them. Those decals are very, very vibrant. I'm gonna link those in the bio as well. I love them, and I have like plants in my house, and I'm a plant lover, and they just look like really cute little plants. And they came with butterflies. Like, what better thing to add like little flying butterflies on your wall? It just matches my whole little aesthetic. So yeah, I'm just organizing and putting everything up there in my little office space. That's where my drawing tablet goes and my laptop. And then I started doing like my storage rack. I decorated a little bit, and I'm gonna link the pink storage rack in my bio as well. Now, this is my favorite thing that I bought for my art studio. It's this flower carpet. It's a moss flower carpet, and it's so cute, and it's very soft as well. When I say this thing is vibrant, it is super vibrant in person. The moment I messed up, I literally knocked over the thing that was holding my paintbrushes, and I didn't even realize until after. This is me realizing, yeah, messed up. I'm just such a klutz. I was so mad. I was like, I can't believe I just broke that. So now I'm just doing my little dancey dance and just getting a feel for the studio because I really like it. The best I've ever made my studio in my apartment so far. Yeah, but here is a quick little tour. Thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure you click the subscribe button and be on the lookout for more content I will create for you guys. Thank you for watching this whole video through. I truly appreciate it. And also you can follow me on Instagram, Lemonade, TikTok before it like disappear, and I will also be posting shorts on here so you guys can have more than one way to stay connected with me. Also, comment all your favorite things that you like about my studio, or different things that you wish you could have seen, or different things that you might do for your studio now that hopefully I gave you inspiration to create your own. And just to show you, once again, this is my dining room. Any type of space that you have, you can make the most of it. I swear you do not need a super huge space. It's just more space does help, but please just make the most of what you have and don't be discouraged. And once again, I will be putting the links of certain the products that I've used, especially this carpet, because honestly, it is so cute. It matches my space completely, and it's so comfy. So once again, thank you guys, and I'll see you next time.